That alert at night, a call from back home, the prayer before bedtime, the promise of day, the clench in our hearts, the uncertainty of sounds, the stream of headlines. Together we watch, together we worry. A day, a month, together not knowing, together one day at a time, together one step at a time. This land we love, the flags we raise, together we hope, together we'll build the brightest of days. To the ones that keep us safe, to the ones that lead us. Together, we're grateful for their promise of strength. Together we trust, together we belong. For the ones we love, we promise them safety. For the lives we value, we do more than just hope. When the road is unknown, we plan for futures we dream of. We are in this together.